This playsuit from Hoss Intropia is delicate, super sexy. Point me to 50 people online who think I'm super sexy. I'll point you to 50 more who say he's old and looks like my dad. I'm terrified to ride a bike in a city, and I grew up riding bikes in the city. I've just heard enough stories. I have enough friends who've been hit by taxicabs and things. I never struggled with trying to figure out what it was I wanted to do or what made the sparks go for me. For day-to-day beauty, I'm a Q-tip and Vaseline kind of girl. I never leave home without Q-tips. They're a great fix for any makeup emergencies. Growing up, I never got into comic books at all. I didn't have any inspiration for it. I don't want to be the unseen anymore. It's nice to be glamorous, but I don't want to always be an object of desire, because it doesn't last. When I'm single, I don't focus. I focus on a guy if he's a boyfriend, but I don't focus on finding a boyfriend. They're never around when you want them. I'm just in work mode, and that prevents me from going into the Hollywood starlet mode, I suppose. I definitely believe in plastic surgery. I don't want to be an old hag. There's no fun in that.